Hello, good afternoon, guys. So it's Mega Gadget. This is the Itel Solar Light. It's basically a radio and a portable charging machine with that has three bulbs that can light up your house, your kitchen, and your parlor any way you want it. So it's rechargeable with this solar panel, as you can see. So you just have to place the solar panel outside in the sun. And this is the bulbs. So it comes with three bulbs. You can use them simultaneously, so you can see the bulbs, and they are very, very bright. So the battery lasts longer, and it can charge your phone. You see, the charging cord also comes with Type C, Android, and iPhone. All the three connectors, I mean. So this is it. It doubles as a radio, a lamp, and a light source for your house. So thanks you very much. If you want to get it, you can contact us on 091 1803 6364. Thanks.